So I'm just going to proceed to showing you how I made my drawstring ponytail. All you need is a string of hair, your hair of choice, and of course a chair or any other support you can find. You don't necessarily have to use this expression attachment. You can also use rope or wool or any form of straight rope that you prefer. So I'm just going to cut my hair into two. This is leftover hair from the crochet braids that I installed a few weeks ago. So all you just need to do is make a loop like you want to crochet your hair and just put it underneath the string and knot. It's really very easy. I'm going to do it in slow motion so you can get it. Remember, you're folding the hair in two, making a loop and just putting it under the string of hair. So that's about it. Of hair you want. Once you're satisfied, you just cut it off, but make sure not to cut off too much of the string because that's also what you're going to use to attach onto your own hair. So as you can see, I still have lots of hair left on the left and on the right side. So that is what I'm going to be using to attach the hair to my ponytail. So on to the tutorial. For the first time, I'm just spraysing my hair with water. Like I'm really going to saturate my hair with water. Then I'm going to proceed to applying gel to my hair. This style is really very easy. All you just need is water and lots of gel. So I'm using my Eco Styler gel. Once I apply the gel and I'm satisfied with the quantity I've applied to my hair, I'm just going to begin brushing it all together. You guys, don't be stingy with your gel, especially if you have kinky hair. I know kinky hair is kind of hard to lay, so if you're working with kinky hair, then use lots of gel. Once I'm done brushing it all together, I'm going to take a piece of elastic band and just knot the hair at the back. I have to knot twice for extra security. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to tie a scarf onto my hair just to let it lay. You can use a blow dryer with the scarf tied on the hair if you can't leave it to dry. For the purpose of this tutorial, I didn't let the hair dry completely before taking out the scarf, and as you can see, I've twisted the ends of the ponytail just so that it doesn't freeze up when or tangle up when I want to attach it to my hair. So it's really very easy. You're just going to place it and wrap it around your own hair. You take one section first, the left and then the right. or whichever way you prefer, but you do one section first before wrapping the other section around your hair. So as you can see, this is really very easy, and you can achieve this in less than 10 minutes, except of course for the gel parts that needs to dry off. But the ponytail, it doesn't take long to attach. So I'm just applying the other part, and then I'm going to fluff it out till I'm satisfied. I actually thought this was going to be bigger, but it's not as full as I expected it to be, but I guess it's still okay. So yeah, that's it for the first style. So I'm just going to, since sorry guys, since I made this both hair on the same day, I just spritz the hair with water just to lift it up, and then I brushed it up again to the way I wanted it to be. I didn't need to add lots of gel since there was already enough gel in the hair. I just put a bit more gel at the back since I wanted a really high ponytail, and my hair it's not so long, so getting it all together is tough. So as you can see, I'm just putting everything together and using an elastic band to hold it. Packing this up was really a struggle. I think I knotted like 3 times before I was satisfied. Here I go knotting again. I'm just adding more gel to the back and using my small toothbrush to smoothen the whole thing up. So yeah, finally we packed out. I'm also going to tie this with a scarf. I'm not going to let it dry for the purpose of this tutorial, but you can tie it with a scarf and let it stay for a while. So now I'm just going to proceed to apply the ponytail onto my hair. Applying it, I don't know, I found it a bit tough applying this front part. I don't know why, but I did it. So it's just the same method for applying the first hairstyle. You put one part first and then you proceed to the other side and you just wrap it around your own hair, and that's it. So that's basically it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next one. Do let me know below in the comment section your favorite style and if you will be trying this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.